champion of show. Now joining in, all set, ready to race. The racing as the 2008 Pilracom Lakambini Stakes race just is started. We have Security Queen break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside Vergara. Indelible Ink comes next, then followed over by Champion of Show, while Anonymous is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. We have Vergara by about 3 lengths. Security Queen in second. Alongside now is Indelible Ink. Anonymous comes next, while Champion of Show now running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Vergara. This time, draws clear by about 4 lengths. Security Queen in second. Moving up now on the outside is Indelible Ink to take second. Anonymous is down in fourth. Alongside comes Champion of Show. Down the back stretch, they travel. We have Vergara. This time, by about 3 lengths. Indelible Ink in second. Security Queen comes next. Coming closer now in fourth is Anonymous. Alongside is Champion of Show. Time is running out as the competition now reached the fourth turn. We have Vergara maintaining a length and a half lead. Coming closer in second is Indelible Ink, and almost taking the first spot. We have Indelible Ink. This time now moves up by a length and a half. Driving back in second is Vergara. Moving up on the outside, Champion of Show. Anonymous in the middle as they swing for home. We have Indelible Ink. This time draws clear by about 5 lengths. Champion of Show in second with about 100 meters up the race. We have Indelible Ink by about 6 lengths, followed by Champion of Show. And finally, the 2008 Lakambini Stakes race belongs to Indelible Ink. Second is Champion of Show, Anonymous.
At yun nga po muli ang pagkakapanalo ni Indelible Ink sa ating 2008 Pilracom Lakambini Stakes race, although it's still unofficial.
Magandang malaman dito, Coach, yung ating time na na-negotiate itong si Indelible Ink. Yun. 10, 24, 25, 25, 27. Total time is 1 minute 51 seconds flat. Hindi ako nagkakamali. 148 kasi ang preba natin dito, ang ating record.
Oh, parang hindi naman ganong kapuwersa yung kabayo.
Yes, which is real spicy at 148.